Oh, they're coming over here now. They're coming over here.
What's up, guys? We don't want any.
We're at Dewey Beach, Delaware.
We're about to see the East Coast for the first time for our trip.
Yeah.
Very
Finally. Just walked along the beach, having some grapes as a snack, waiting for the water to boil, and having sausage and potatoes for dinner, like mashed potatoes.
Kielbasa and instant mashed potatoes.
We woke up at 7 to catch the sunrise this morning.
To catch the sunrise.
Today we're just walking around Bethany Beach area. There's like a little boardwalk. It's really cute.
It's like a little mall. Do a little spin.
Yeah. There's like candy shops and like food places and souvenir shops. It's really cute. I think this is definitely like a retirement rope walk.
Happy hour all day.
All day, baby.
All day happy hour.
This video has been sponsored by Scott Armitage and Armitage Homes. He's a fantastic general contractor. If you're looking for any of that kind of help, check him out in the Twin Cities. His link is in the description below. Check him out. Shh.
Today it is rather cloudy and a little bit misty. So Jack and I are gonna edit some videos and do a coffee shop day. Possibly work out and shower, I don't know.
We're gonna edit, we're gonna get that video out. We're gonna do it.
Ah. Jack doesn't like my onion.
I like your onion. Will you just pay a little attention to me, please? I just edited all day and now I just need a little attention, alright? Wait, no.
Jack made me throw away my onion. What do you guys think of that?
That's not true. We kept it. It's in the fridge. I can show you right now.
He says it stinks in here. No, I know why it stinks. It's because of your onion.
That's not true. They're all lies. Stop. Found some water. So we're at Assateague State Park in Maryland, and we're just driving around looking for a campsite, and we came across drinking water. It's kind of convenient. It has some wild horses. But what happens if I just do a little...
Brr! Actually, it's not even that cold. Alright, we got some coffee. I got my overnight oats. What do I call it? Overnight oats. Just call them oats or oatmeal. Jack really wanted pasta, so I'm making him some pasta. What's he doing out there? So at this campground there's wild horses, and this, oh my gosh, this horse is like going into the window of this car ahead of us. I hope they're not feeding them.
I don't think they are.
Oh, this is so funny. Oh, they're little ponies too.
Whoa.
Oh, he's gonna come. Oh,
hey,
whoa. Hey. Oh, they're coming over here now. They're coming over here.
What's up, guys? We don't want any. No, we don't.
No. I think they're angry.
You think they're angry?
I don't know.
What's up, dudes?
It looks. I kind of want to open my window.
Hi.
Hi. They're gone. Maybe just some Cajun.
Cajun? Oh, what about that? Was a lot of Cajun.
Might have been too much.
Are you making a hearty soup?
Hearty. This isn't our vows.
This is.
Oh, that was a lot.
Oh, did something just go? Something just went across the screen and I don't know what it was.
Really?
Comment down in the comments below what that was that just
Name that
just flew.
ghost creature.
Stop. We're in the wilderness. That's creepy. Name that ghost creature. Welcome to Van Life Drunk Soup with Jack and Kayla, where we get drunk and we make soup in a van. Welcome to the first episode.
Soup. Oh my god, I almost dropped the phone in the soup. It was like shaking. That shaking motion, that was me almost dropping the phone in the soup.
What would you have done?
I would have been like, well, she's a goner. I would like try to, I think, and then I would...
Would you go outside and just throw the soup as hard as you can?
Yeah, probably.
Your soup and your phone would be dead.
Soup.
So, cheers! And then cheers to viewers too. Here we go. Cheers to viewers.